how to add random people on Snapchat. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So let's just start off by opening up Snapchat. So I'll just search up Snapchat right here. And then I'll just open up Snapchat. So once you're in Snapchat, to simply add friends, just go at the bottom right here of your Snapchat application. And to the right of your camera icon, there are like two people right there, or your friends tab. So just simply click on that. Once you're here, to simply add friends, just go to the top right there. And then as you can see, there will be an option right there that will allow you to add friends. So just simply click on that friend icon right there with the plus button. There you go. And then once you're here, you can either sync your contacts to find friends, or you can either use the suggested friends tab right here at the bottom. So yeah, so these are all suggested friends right here. So I don't know all of these people, so I can just simply scroll around and you can simply just add these people. And then if you want to add these people, just simply click on add, and then they will be sent a friend request. So these are all random people. You'll also get to see if they're active or not, and etc, etc. So yeah, and then once you're done adding your friends, all you have to do now is to just wait for them to accept your friend request. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add random people on Snapchat.